And we're back to exploring Pika Labs. Let me talk about the first parameter besides the aspect ratio. There's an FPS, which stands for frames per second. 24 is the default and also the maximum, but you can go lower. 8 is the lowest value and you can see it chops it a little bit up. So if you want to have this stop motion effect, you may want to go down with it. Let us create a prompt, car driving. I want to have an aspect ratio 16:9. Let me click on +1 more. I add an image. I have this synth wave car design, created a mid-journey, and I confirm it. Once it's rolling, we'll click on this remix button and let me add FPS 8. FPS 16 and FPS 24. As I said, 24 is the maximum and it's also the default. So if you don't add this parameter FPS, your frame rate, your frames per second will be 24. I'm going to add it here anyway so that we can compare it. Here's the first results. And Pika Labs just messed this one up. Let me check 8 frames. And this is what we want. It's a little bit choppy. Or we could use this. Let me recycle the first one. Here is 16 and it's also fine, and you can see the difference between 8 and 16. So 8 is more chopped up, more stop motion like. 16 is a bit smoother. If you want to have a real life video kind of effect, you definitely want to have 24. Let me reprompt this FPS 16, that was nice, and I change it to 24. So we're using the same prompts but adjust the parameter. Here's our recycle with 24, and this is what I want in a specific case. And the final one, let me check, I messed it up again. But you get the idea. You can adjust the frame rate here using this -FPS parameter. And if you want to go for more stop motion feel, go down with it. The minimum is 8 as I've set, maximum 24. And default is also 24. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.